us. We impose ourselves willingly and voluntarily without any reservations the responsibility to the noble task of giving reverence to God, helping our parents, and serving as an inspiration to the leaders in our communities and or the honor of our alma mater, Igbak Elementary School. So help me God.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Naira.